So what should be the pronunciation of this word? Memphara.
Grudge.
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 Grudge. And how you come to know that its pronunciation is grudge? Ga, ra, and ja. So it becomes grudge. Grudge. So this is how you are supposed to just go through these IPA symbols and try to find the words, trying to find the pronunciation of various words. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Welcome to Systematic Institute of Knowledge Acquisition and Learning with Professor Usman Ghani. Dears, this is our 8th class, and this is actually spoken English class. We have gone through a few things. For example, in the very first day, we started our classes with how to introduce ourselves. And the second thing is IPA. We are discussing for last 2 days what IPA is. We have gone through and how can we check the pronunciation of a word or words with the help of IPA symbols.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very great. We have gone through this yesterday. Now I'm going to show you this, and we are going to go through it very quickly, and I'll send you this file. You may keep this file with you, and then you may be very good at and you can very easily find the pronunciation for a particular word quite easily. For example, let me show you something here. For example, let's suppose I have a word, and that word is, I should say, grudge, for example. Sorry. The word is grudge. Can you spell this word for me, Mr. Hidayat Khan? What you see the word here? What is the word? Can you spell this word for me? I mean, can you please spell this word? Speak the spellings. Grudge, yes.
Grudge.
Okay. So what should be the pronunciation of this word? Memphara.
Grudge.
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 Grudge. And how you come to know that its pronunciation is grudge?
Sir, I listen in daily routine sentences that they have grudges
Very
for
well done.
others.
Okay.
Yes.
Very well done. You said that, sir, I listen in daily routine, and this is how I actually know that this word is grudge. But there is something interesting I'm going to tell you that we have already discussed. For example, I write this over here, and we see that this is actually the transcription we have got. If you do not know a word, that what actually is its pronunciation, we simply need to go to what? To IPA symbol chart. For example, G, what does this sound stand for? Let us go back and find out. G sound, let us find it here. This one, G. This stands for G. G. Hidayat Khan, do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That.
Yes, it is G, G sound. So we see that it is G, and then this stands for ah, we know it. And what does this particular sound stand for? So this is the second thing we come to know. We try to know, and this sound should come here. Just finding that out. Here we go. Yeah, this one. Fun. Sound. That is okay. So we have got these two sounds. This sounds as so we come to know the first one is ga ra and now this particular sign, what does this symbolic or this sign actually stand for, or which sound does it actually give? So here we go, and we see that sound is actually given. Here you go. This is actually the word. Isn't it the same sign we see there, Hidayat Khan? Isn't it the same sign we see there? This one,
Yes, sir,
D
yes.
and J type. Yeah,
Yes.
it is J. So how do we come to know? We come to know that Ga, Ra, and Ja. So it becomes grudge. So this is how you are supposed to just go through these IPA symbols and try to find the words trying to find the pronunciation of various words. As an assignment, I will send you around 20 words and I will ask you to find the transcription and you will be supposed to write the transcription. Did I put this class on recording?